Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be building the Lego Dimensions starter pack. These are just like highlights taken from the stream I did on my other channel, Sui Game, my main one. The starter pack is for ages 7 to 14. It has 269 pieces. It's a set 71171. I got the PS4 edition. Since it is the most convenient, it was more expensive though, but it is what it is. On the front, it displays the game, the minifigures, and all the information, the rating, the owners, TT Games, and Warner Bros. On the back, however, it shows like all the brands, how to construct it, and also what you do in the main story. Now I will start off by building all the minifigures, which include Batman, Gandalf, and Wildstyle. Now that we're done, it's time to build the actual portal. Last but not least, we have to build the Batmobile. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Absolutely destroy that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.